Welcome to Preform Line Products. The following presentation illustrates the recommended application of the RAPTOR clamp diverter. Open the clamp by pulling apart the jaws until it is locked in the open position. Rotate the trigger until the bottom rests below the retaining wall in the clamp. Close the clamp onto the trigger. The clamp is now set. Locate the desired installation point of the clamp. While holding the bottom by hand or the loop using a hot stick, activate the clamp by bumping the trigger into the cable. The clamp will snap closed around the cable. You have completed the installation of Preform Line Products RAPTOR clamp diverter. The featured Preform product is manufactured in the United States and is backed by the experience and field support that PLP has been noted for since 1947. All safety guidelines set forth in the appropriate application procedure for this product must be reviewed and followed prior to installing this product. The installation shown is intended to illustrate the application method of the product only. It is not intended to supersede any standard utility safety guidelines and practices or use of required protective equipment.